Acting on a specific intelligent input, a special team from East Garo Hills District, Meghalaya, comprising of the Superintendent of Police, the Additional Superintendent of Police, other senior officers, and the Special Operations Team or SOT of East Garo Hills, Williamnagar, carried out a special search operation in the early hours of the 25th of January 2026 at around 1 a.m. in a forested area near Dura Bewagre village. As per an official statement issued by East Garo Hills Superintendent of Police S.A. Rinja on the 26th of January 2026, the operation led to the recovery of a substantial cache of arms and explosives that had been buried underground. The seized materials are suspected to have been concealed by former cadres of proscribed militant outfits, including the GNLA and the Alpha. The recovered items included an AK-56 rifle, along with a magazine, 3 pistols with 2 magazines, a double-barrel rifle, explosive materials, live ammunition, electric detonators, shotgun cartridges, and an improvised explosive device or IED fitted with a digital timer inside a pressure cooker. The IED was successfully neutralized by the bomb disposal squad of East Garo Hills. Following the recovery, a case has been registered at Williamnagar Police Station under relevant provisions of the Arms Act and the Explosive Substances Act. Further investigation into the matter is ongoing.